In this segment, we will cover the simple idea of the action home. We have been working with functions, and we created a function called calculate square, and we put action language in that function to calculate, to square the value and return it for a value that was passed as a parameter. Well, functions are just one of the action homes where action language can live. Action language can also live in the operations on classes. So on this workout timer class, we have an activate and deactivate class operation. And if I double click there, I can see that I have action language recorded in those operations, and that can be invoked from other places, from other action language in the model. So functions, operations. Also on the class, we have a state machine, and the workout timer has this three-state state machine. Another action home is the state action found in the state, in the body of the state itself. And we have action language. If I double click on the state, I can see all of this action language contained in the state. Now, Bridgepoint supports both the Mealy and Moore model of state machines, and so we also allow actions to be in the transitions. And so if I double click on this transition on the workout timer, I can see that there's action language in the transition. And just to give a little hint, if I zoom in a bit on the state machine, you can see that there are 3 dots there indicating that there's action language on that transition. And not all transitions are required to have action language, and if we see here in this transition, there's no action language indicated. Another place to find action language is in the messages coming in and out from other components. And so when the start-stop is pressed on the user interface, a message is sent, and it triggers action language on that incoming message body. And so the next most common place for action language to live is in the body of messages. There are 2 other places where action language can live, and that is in the actions of bridges on external entities, and also as mathematically derived attributes. You can read about those in the documentation. Those are fairly uncommon places to put action language. And so the most common are function, class operation, state action, and transition action of a state machine, and the message body for intercomponent messages.